Often, when we think of storms, we picture violent, dramatic weather patterns. However, there is another type of storm that is equally as powerful, but goes largely unnoticed. Ever heard of a solar storm? The storm alert was issued by USS Space Weather Authorities in the second week of April 2023, indicating a powerful geomagnetic storm. The incoming space weather threat has the potential to cause visible aurora borealis, or northern lights, in Canada, the northern United States, and surrounding areas along the northern hemisphere, in addition to causing a slight disruption of frequencies or signals. Now, let us define a solar storm. A solar storm is a term used for atmospheric effects felt on Earth from certain events that occur on the Sun. Most likely, when you picture the Sun, you picture a bright, constant light. It is actually a molten gas ball that is incredibly large and in constant flux. Massive energy eruptions from the Sun, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, are what cause solar storms. A stream of magnetic fields and electrical charges is hurled toward Earth by these phenomena at a speed of roughly 3 million miles per hour in parts of the atmosphere. When a solar storm hits Earth, it frequently results in a stunning display of northern lights that can be seen in regions near satellites, and other electronic communication systems can also be interfered with by storms. Solar storms start with a huge explosion on the Sun. These explosions, called solar flares, can be about as powerful as billions of nuclear bombs. Solar flares usually go hand in hand with the release of huge streams of charged plasma that travel at millions of miles per hour. These streams are called coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. CME strikes have the potential to trigger geomagnetic storms that interfere with satellites and power systems. For instance, in February 2011, our ADIO communications across China were interfered with by a CME, caused by an exceptionally strong solar flare. A significant solar storm may inflict more than 20 times the economic damage of the strongest hurricane, according to some experts. Scientists who study solar storms have discovered that the frequency of solar flares appears to follow an 11-year solar cycle. At times of peak activity, there could be several solar storms each day. At other times, there might be less than one solar storm per week. Scientists expect the Sun's current activity cycle to result in a peak in solar storms during 2024.